Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and in this video I will be replacing the front bumper of this Hyundai Grand i10. How to dismantle it fully and replace it with a new one, that I will show you in this video. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe. So first we'll have to put a cloth or a sheet like this on the floor, because you will have to go under the car now. So take a screwdriver or a pry tool like this and go under the car. Once you go under the car, you will notice that under the bumper there are clip locks. You will have to pry out all those clip locks like this. There are altogether 6 clip locks under the bumper. So all these clip locks you will have to take out now. Then come in the wheel wells, and in the wheel wells you will notice that down below here there will be 2 clip locks. Take them out, and if you notice on top here there will be 1 clip lock here. Take this out as well. So here I have taken out mine. Once you are done with this side, go on the other side and take out the ones on the other side as well. Now if you come on this side, you will notice that 2 of my clip locks are missing, because the bumper here is broken, but the top one is still there. This one I will take out now. So once you take out all these clip locks, now you will have to open your hood. Now inside the hood on top of the bumper you will notice that there are 4 clip locks. These 4 clip locks you will have to take out now. Once you take out all these 4 clip locks, go back in the wheel wells, and you will notice that there is a 8mm bolt on top like this. So take a 8mm socket and take out this bolt completely. So here comes out my bolt, and the bolt looks something like this. So this will be on both the sides. So see that you take out from the other side as well. Once you take it out, if you pull the bumper like this, it will come out. But before you pull it out completely, you will have to take out your headlights first. Why, that I will show you later in this video. Once you take out the headlights, if you pull the bumper, it will come out easily like this. Now how to take out the headlights, I have already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screen, so you can later go there and watch that video as well. Once you take out your headlights, you will notice here under the headlights the bumper is clipped on to the clips. So sometimes it is difficult to pull it out. That's why you will have to take a pry tool like this and take the bumper out from the clips. Then pull out the bumper like this. But this bumper is still not yet disconnected completely. Your fog lamps are still connected, so unplug both the fog lamps. Now to unplug these fog lamps, you will have to press the plug of the fog lamps like this. This will open the clips. Once the clips are open, pull it on the downside and disconnect it. So once you unplug both the fog lamps, your bumper is now totally separated from the car. But still there are many things on this bumper which are to be taken out. How to take them out, that I will show you now. So now put the bumper upside down like this on the cloth. So first I will take out the fog lamps. So to take out the fog lamps, I will make use of my drill, otherwise it can take a lot of time. Now all the screws which are there on the back side of the fog lamp assembly, see that you take all of them out. Now on this fog lamp assembly there is a aerodynamic part. Handle this part with care. This part came out while I was taking out this assembly. It is fixed on rivets. I don't know why they have not given screws for that. So once you take out all the screws, your fog lamp will come out easily like this. Once the fog lamp is out, this plastic assembly is clipped onto the bumper. This is the most difficult part to separate it from the bumper. This clips part to separate it from the bumper. So use a screwdriver like this and unclip all the clips. And once you unclip all the clips, your fog lamp plastic assembly is now totally separated from the bumper. Now this aerodynamics part fits like this on the fog light assembly. While putting it back, I will show you how to put it back properly. Then you will have to come on the other side, and you will have to take out the fog light assembly from this side as well. Remove all the screws, take out the fog lamp, and unclip all the clips and separate this assembly from the bumper. Now comes the grill. There are many screws on this grill. Take out all the screws, and once you take out all the screws, take a screwdriver and start unclipping the grill. Now you will have to do this with patience, because this will take time, and see that you don't break all the clips. So take patience and take this grill out in a relaxing manner. Once you unclip all the clips, your grill will be totally separated from the bumper. As you guys can see, it is now totally separated. Now this logo part, that also is clipped onto the bumper. Now all these clips are very hard clips. They are good quality clips. They will not break that easily. This is a Hyundai car, and Hyundai car quality is a good quality. Now this logo part also you will have to unclip like this. So you will have to put a screwdriver in like this and push it upwards. Then take a pry tool and push the clip down. And by doing like this to all the clips, and once you do this for all the clips, your logo assembly will be now totally separated from the bumper. As you can see here my logo assembly has fallen down. This also I will be painting. Now how to put all these things back, that I will show you now, so don't worry about it. So here my front bumper is now totally separated from the car and from all the other accessories. Now you can paint this bumper or replace it with a new one. All that depends on you. So now I will show you how to put it back. So first put your cloth on the floor, because you will not want your bumper to get scratched before putting it back on the car. That's why you will have to put a cloth like this. And all the things which you had taken last, that you will have to put back first. So the logo assembly I had taken out last. So this logo assembly you will have to push nicely like this and put it back inside. And once the logo assembly is back back in position, and as you guys can notice that all my clips are now in position. Now you will have to get your grill. Now this grill part you will have to put back with patience, and you will have to put all the clips back. So keep a hand underneath, and with one hand you will have to push on top. And like this you will have to press the clips so that you don't push it without keeping the hand underneath. So one hand on top and one hand underneath, and press and put all the clip locks back. Once you put all the clips back, now put back the fog lamp assembly. This also you will have to push and put all the clips back. Then put back the fog lamp and all the screws which you had taken out from this assembly, and the grill. All these screws you will have to put back now in one shot. And once you put back all these screws, still there is one thing left to put back, and that is your aerodynamics assembly, which gives direction to the air. Now this fits onto the bumper like this, but it is not screwed to the bumper. It is fitted with rivets, and as you guys can see that on my bumper there are already rivets. So I will use a drill and take out these rivets, and as you guys can see one rivet is come out and my hole is still intact, which is a good thing. Now there is one more rivet on top as well. I will take this out as well. So here comes out my other rivet. Now I will put this assembly in place. Now this plastic part, this also is a part of this assembly. I will put it back and I will put the screw back. Now to put the rivets, I have ordered a new tool. This is a special tool. I will do unboxing video of this tool separately, so don't worry about it. On this also the video is coming soon. So you will have to put the rivet like this in position, and as you press the tool, your rivet is now fixed. As you guys can see how my rivet is in position from underneath also and from top. So like this you will have to fix this part. Now one more rivet I will have to put on this part, which is on the downside. So here I am done putting the rivet back on the downside. As you guys can see, both the rivets I have put back, and I have fixed this part on my bumper. But there's one more rivet which I should be putting for this part. So here I will put the rivet, and here my part is now in position. And this is one more part on which I will have to put the rivets. This is the part which goes under the headlight where the bumper gets clipped on. This part of mine came out when I was taking out the bumper. So I will put this part in position, and one screw goes on this part. So I will put that screw back. Now on this part two rivets go. So I will put back those two rivets. So here I am done putting one rivet back, and like this you will have to put the other rivet as well. And here I am done putting both the rivets. Now if I show you this same part on the other side, then you guys can see that there are already rivets on this part, and this part is already fixed. Now you will have to turn your bumper, because now it's time to put this bumper back onto the car. So put a tire like this under the car and take the bumper near the car and keep it on the tire. Once you keep it on the tire, the next thing that you will have to do is connect both the fog lamps. And once you connect both the fog lamps, you will have to take two clip locks and you will have to put them back on top like this. So here you guys have noticed that I have put my two clip locks back in place. Once you put this back, the bumper will now be slightly stable. Now you will have to align your bumper on the side like this. Don't put it inside now only. First go on the other side and align it this side also. Once you align it this side, see that you put it inside. Then go on the other side and push the bumper inside on this side as well. Once you put both the sides inside, your bumper is now in position. Now put the cloth and go under the car. Once you go under the car, all the clip locks which you had taken out, now it's time to put them back. So put all the clip locks back. So all the clip locks I have put back, but one of my part is broken here. So one clip lock I can't put here. Rest all I have put back already. Then you will have to come on the wheel wells. Now in your wheel wells down here, there will be two clip locks. These two clip locks you will have to put back first. And then on top also there is one clip lock. This clip lock also you will have to put back now. After that, put back the 8mm bolt which you had taken out from top here. Then you will have to come on top, and this clip lock you will have to only put back once you are done fitting the headlights. Once you put back both the headlights, put this clip lock back on and then close the hood. And here your bumper is now replaced. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.